This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is our land. Mr. Conrad Sangma, here also this voice of the Nyotra people, that the Khasi, Jaintia and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. If you need us to be in Chibinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Nyotra people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the Achek people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the Achek people have supported you. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. हाँ भाई तू बांग्लादेशी है तो बांग्लादेश में जाओ. Sofior Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Achek people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Nyotra people also will find you.
Na kajingya kenat Snam Hagaro Hills, kabla jia kini ki kendiat sni. Kablawanra kejiyap ki arngot ki men simbrio lembat min saw bongun nakadawan khanglan I kejingyo ki brio bomdei trairi ban yakhoni ke election MDC she GHEDC kalapinlong ya ka komso kabade ka khon ki seng bhalang syndrome hapo kejingelam ke HYC ban pin pau kejing persha halor ketei kejingjia kablajia Hagaro Hills ya kani kejingelang persha lapinlong hamot pran hinne kasngi ke khatwei tarik ulaber arajar arphunrio kum kadak kajing sngolem yeki balakhla na kajing sha hyarthma kitrairi kata ki garo hakibrio bomdei trai jylla kata kilong tribal but kum kajing persha jur ya kajing yo alat ki bomdei garo banyo yakhoni ke election MDC she GHEDC.
Brothers and sisters from Khasi zone, we want to give one message to you. This gathering today, in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the Achek people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Nyotra people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, here also this voice of the Nyotra people, that the Khasi, Jaintia and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. We will not allow Conrad Sangma or his party to sell the land of the Achek people to the Miyas. Today we are here as a symbolic gesture, but if you need us to be in Chibinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Nyotra people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the Achek people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the Achek people have supported you. And if they want, they will also make you come down off that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Achek people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Achek people are protected. And you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Achek people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that this Bengal who are staying in Garo Hills should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer can cannot give an answer, but we can. आप भाई तू बांग्लादेशी है, तो बांग्लादेश में जाओ. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Achek people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Achek land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofior Rahman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message, claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Achek land. Sofior Rahman, we have seen your face. We know who you are. You cannot hide forever. The Achek people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Nyautre people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Achek and the Nyautre are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, we have no problem. But don't come and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is our land. And if you want to fight, come out of hiding and fight us in light, not hiding, not at night. Come out and fight. You attack the poor people, you attack those weak people in Chibinang, the Agaro brothers and sisters, because they are minority in numbers. If you want to show power, come to Tura, let us fight. Come out of the plain belt. Fix a day, fix the time, the Nyautre and the Achek will be there. Let's see who wins. These Bangladeshis, they came as laborer, they came as tenant. They used the people of Garo Hills, the Achek people. Now, because of their illegal activities, because of these mafias, they have been controlling the illegal activities in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills, using them just to win election, just to rule, just to lead the government. It is because of you that the Achek people have been made to leave their own house, their own land. It is because of you that this situation has arisen on this day. We feel for our Achek brothers and sisters. We feel for the situation that they are in. But my brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, the Achek, don't lose hope. Remember that your day also will come. Every dog has his day. We have to remember that. You have the power in your small little finger. Don't forget that. And I know for sure why Conrad Sangma postponed the election of the GHDC today. Because he knows the Achek people will not vote for the NPP in the GHDC election. That is why he has to take a decision to fool the Achek people once again. At least to calm down the storm. Just to calm you down. But my friends, my Achek brothers and sisters, don't forget the blood, the death of Dilsang M. Sangma. Don't forget that your brothers and sisters have been chased out of their house in Chibinang at night. Don't forget that the shops, that the houses have been burned down in Garo Hills it belongs to your brothers and sisters. Remember this day, remember this time when you have that power to decide through your small little finger. My brothers and sisters, it is a call from your neutral brother. Don't be made to forget what has happened to you. You have been made to suffer in the last 50 years. Your leaders have led you, have just benefited from you. It is because of their doing that these people, the population of these people have grown with each year. As they have taken a decision not to allow them to settle in your land, in Garo Hills, will they find a place to settle? No. Will they find a place to work? No. Will they find a way to do this illegal activities, illegal stone quarrying in Garo Hills? No. It is because the people who are in power have a hand to play that these people are daring and they have been earning a lot of money, and now a time has come for them to show their true colors. My brothers and sisters, do not let this be another battle that you lose and you'll suffer for the next 50 years again. It is time that we chase away these Bangladeshis once and for all. It is time that we make us stand very clear to these politicians, to these leaders, that enough is enough. You have been made, you have benefited from us. We made you the chief minister. We made you the MLA. We made you the minister. What has you given back to us? Development, roads, stadium, bridges, schools, colleges. What is the use of development and at what cost? Does development can be compared to being wiped out from our own land? Do we want to become another Tripura? Just because some government, some minister give us development, we forget that we are the owner of this land and we hand over this land to these illegal Bangladeshis. My brothers and sisters, this is the day that we will remember, and I want all of you, this message to go to all the brothers and sisters in Garo Hills and also our neutral brothers and sisters. We need to remember this, that if today these people are trying to snatch or to take away the land of the HYC people, tomorrow they will take away the land of the neutral people. Makwa ban pinkan ma we kani balada menta kini kibriu kila persyang ban kini ya ka khendo ka siap ya ka hok long try ya ka hok halor ka sensyar ka khadar jong ki Garo po Garo Hills kan poiru ka por bakini ki joy kibriu kin kini ya ka hok long try halor ka khendo ka siap halor ka sanhima sima jongi unyo trep lada ngimlong ki bausiar.